Gentlemen, say hi monkey, hi Paul, say hi monkey. Today, I'm showing you how to grow super tall sunflowers. These are probably 6 inches, 8 inches tall. Should have pricked these out a bit ago. But all we're going to be doing with these is, get the camera correct, going around choosing the largest plant in each one. So that's that one in there. These are the 9cm pots. If you don't pull them right up, you can just snap them up at the base. This way, it gives the only plant plenty of room. There we go. And what I'll be doing with these is potting these on into larger pots, because of these roots, plenty of holes for the roots to grow through. So, two pots probably that size over there. Can you see those? So yeah, it's all you need to do with these. Quite a simple task. You can try and grow the ones that you're picking out on, but I've got plenty, so those will go in the bin. This one here, a bit easier. Hope everybody's keeping okay. I think the sunflowers are growing really well. Always try healthy they'll find the white roots underneath. So two here, that one and that one, and that's it. That is really how quickly it is. Got some on the windowsill. These are ones that didn't have any heat from beneath, my heater propagators, and these are the ones that did have some heat. I'm feeding them twice a week at the moment with the Miracle Grow and a tomato feed, Tomarite. So yeah, that's all those done. I'll carry on feeding them. I've got all these spares. These will just go into the compost bin. They're not needed, these. If I put all those on, I will end up with too many. So yeah, how to grow some super tall sunflowers. Probably about, not even speaking properly, I've got an abscess in one of my tooth. One of my teeth. Going to have it removed today. So yeah, if you've got any questions about anything growing in my greenhouse, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe and like, it really does help the channel. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Say bye, monkey. Bye, Paul. Bye, monkey.